and operating margins for the whole company. So keep in mind, it's good quality and poor quality. So it's balancing these two pieces of the equation, actually. And the way I like to think of it is that cost of good quality is actually an investment to help reduce the cost of poor quality. So even though you may be incrementally increasing the cost of good quality, it should more than pay for itself with reductions in the cost of poor quality. So the cost of poor quality, it's internal and failure costs and external failure costs. Where those internal failure costs are usually the ones that companies have the most visibility and strength around measuring. So these are the typical metrics that we measure on the manufacturing shop floor or among your suppliers. We have the scrap costs, rework costs, anything, material variance costs. When you're having those internal failures, maybe a shipment cost because you missed a delivery, any of those costs, that's the internal failure cost. And then you have the external failure costs, which are usually much less frequent events, but when they do happen, they are more impactful to the value chain. So these are return products, warranty costs, and product recall costs mainly. And you can also have some branding costs in there, but those are generally tough to quantify, and we try and avoid those for the large part. And here's the cost of good quality. Again, for ease of understanding and benchmarking, we break this into two separate categories: appraisal costs and then prevention costs. So the appraisal costs are what you do to understand what your quality performance is. So this could be inspection costs, testing costs,